from every door. American dreams, what I adore. Living big, I want some more. Woke up broke, thought the dream was a lie. Paid for a course from some suit and a tie. Promised me riches, but all I got was regret. Blew my first stack, had to learn from the dead. They told me play it safe, don't take the risk. But I saw freedom in a candlestick. One right move, now the game's unlocked. No more watching clocks, now I watch my stocks. Long one, short two. Now they asking, can I trade like you? I just left, tell them chart already knew. Stack it up, flip it, watch what I do. Late nights, all in, but the numbers don't lie. Ain't a gamble when you see through the sky. Short life, one shot, yeah, it changes your view. Stack it up, flip it, watch what I do. Took L's, lost racks, almost called it a quit. But I stayed in the game, never ran from a hit. Watched all the fakes flexing, ran in McLarens. Talking big wins, but the charts look barren. They said you'll never make it, you'll just crash. But I see dips as discounts, not my last. One good read and the future's mine. Turn my laptop screen into a gold mine. Long one, short two. Now they asking, can I trade like you? I just laugh, tell them short already knew. Stack it up, flip it, watch what I do. Late nights, all in, but the numbers don't lie. Ain't a gamble when you see through the sky. Short life, one shot, yeah, it changes your view. Stack it up, flip it, watch what I do. No boss, no shift, no ceiling, just risk. Turn stress into wealth with the flick of the wrist. No luck, just skill, no wish, just will. Every loss that I took only built my thrill. They don't see the grind, only see the glow. Didn't watch the nights when I stayed alone. Didn't see me broke, just see me paid. Didn't see the price I had to pay. Long one, short two. Now they asking, can I trade like you? I just laugh, tell them short already knew. Stack it up, flip it, watch what I do. Late nights, all in, but the numbers don't lie. Ain't a gamble when you see through the sky. Short life, one shot, yeah, it changes your view.
All right, what's up, everyone? Hope you're doing well. And we got it this morning. You know, that's what we do. And in the afternoon here, the power hour, I don't know if we're going to see much of anything. I just hopped on real quick. We already got our dubs this morning. Hopefully you guys got some wins. And yeah, we're looking at basically price reacting from that 1 minute candle still. So you just imagine this 1 minute candle was pretty gnarly. It's probably the grossest 1 minute candle that I've ever seen. 300 points in 1 minute. It was 1 minute, right? Yeah, that's like a 1 minute. Let me see how many points that was. That was actually, that 1 minute candle was 284 points. I know they exist out there, but I really don't know, man. I don't know if I've seen a 1 minute candle like 300 points. That's pretty gnarly. But anyways, market right now recovering after that little CPI report data, whatever. We're still in the range. It's just typical. This is what I said. I said we were probably going to go up and take out the data wick. You know, so if you got in with me this morning, Big Bag Wednesday, shout out to everyone in Midas for getting in there and just making it happen, man. A lot of you guys did take trades down at the bottom with me. I know somebody wrote it down. I actually posted about them making a nice chunk of change, the largest trade that he ever took. But it was this dump. So watch out for news, because had that gone the wrong direction, it might be the biggest loss you ever had. So you just got to watch for news. Be careful about news. You know, news can throw a wrench in things. So right now, just speaking of the news, we don't really have much on the plate. Let's see, what do we got over here? Let me put up the news real quick right here. So just to kind of bleed into the next, tomorrow and the next week and everything, so we can kind of see. You can see this down here. Got the news up. So this is Forex Factory. We got, the testifying thing. Okay, Jerome Powell testified. He already did that. Now President Trump speaks at some point. I guess it just hasn't posted yet. I don't know what tentative means. So maybe he's either going to speak or not. We don't know. So maybe, who knows, what he says does move the market. What else, guys? Let's see. All right. So then we got Thursday and Friday, some news. So we could see some additional news, but really the hot read from this morning, I don't know if it's going to really play that big of a role. Tesla's been dumping. Look at Tesla, guys. Like this whole time, Tesla went down on my shelf, bounced. Some guy posted he lost $150,000. Like, look, bro, you were at all-time high. What do you think this stuff is just going to go up and away? Like it's just going to continue to go up? It has to. That's the way price moves, bro. Look at the little lines I drew months ago or whenever this was, right? This is December. Back in December, I probably drew this in early January or something. And I remember this actually, like went down, went up. I was like, oh, it did what I said. Because that's the way price moves, And so, yeah, look, I mean, is this really that big of a deal? From the high, you go down here, it's almost the same distance. Look, I just need to extend this out or, just a little bit more, but it's pretty much the same distance. So we should be able, Tesla is fine, man. You're going to make back your 150. Don't worry. Just buy down there. Dollar cost average like the big boys, pull your pants up. And welcome to the game of trading. That's what we do. We buy when things are going down and we sell when things are going up because we want to buy low, sell high, like Jim Rogers said, right? As far as SMT, I was taking a look at this earlier. This is higher time frame. I'm going to go down to like a 5 minute here and just kind of show this between the Nasdaq and the ES. And if you're trading the Nasdaq and you don't know about SMT, well, you need to know about it because it's important. And I think it can help your trading. So go Google it, go YouTube search it, man. But yeah, basically, we just want to see. Let me see, lower time frame. The 5 minute really not showing much of anything. Let me pull up the Dow as well just to see. Yeah, nothing. There's nothing. It's just that 1 minute candle, threw everything off. So we're right here. We're going to go take out that data high. Like I said this morning, I really don't have any new trades to offer. This would have been a hell of a move had you just put your stop under the shelf, or if you got in with me, I had orders stacked. I did not end up. Yeah, I mean, we do order stacking. Yes, we do ladder ordering. So that's part of the game. Right now I'd be looking for longs up to this liquidity level, which I do see it is a liquidity level. I saw it on Bookmap earlier. I'll point it out over here. So this is 21,850 right there, and that's exactly where the data wick highs are at. So I do think price is going up there still. We're pretty red above us. That means there's liquidity right above us, resting right above us, like the 820 level. 817 into 820. That's pretty much it, guys. Looking for longs up to the data wick high. That's pretty much it. And like I said, we already smashed this morning. So I'm really kind of chilling. Just got on here because it's in the schedule. I don't want to put it in the schedule and not get on. That's lame. So I just want to make sure that I got on. What else? That's pretty much it. Anyone trading anything you want to look at? Let me know in chat. If you guys want me to take a look at anything, let me know. I don't mind taking a look and seeing what's up. We talked about gold a little bit yesterday. I still think it's a good buying opportunity for gold. I thought it was I still think it's a good buying op. Look at the 4 hour buy wick. This is a buying wick right there. That's a buying candle. So, wick is much longer than the body. I could see longs honestly just continuing, man. Maybe a little bit of hesitation here just because it is at highs. But I do see that continuation being likely. What up shredded bra? What up shredded bra? Said, hey bro, how are you? Oh man, it's hard to see. Hold on one second. Hard to see on my phone. Let me see. Said, what's up? Just join your school. Join your school group now. So if anybody is in the group, like my comments. Yo, go like his comments so he can unlock the course, y'all. Come on. Yeah, welcome to the crew, man. We make you work for it, you know. Nothing comes cheap in the Midas touch, you know. You got to work for that. But yeah, man, definitely. Yeah, Lewis has got you. Anybody else in here, go like his. Yeah, it's a part of like the culture that we build on school, you know. It's an actual community. So when you come in, you can't just unlock, like the stuff just doesn't unlock. You gotta introduce yourself. You gotta be part of the community, or else we just kick you out. That's just how it works. So I'm trying to build, Troy and I are trying to build something that other traders look around, they're like, oh yeah, this is my crew. This is who I want to rock with. You know, you don't want to look around and be like, why did they let that guy in? You know what I mean? So cool, man. 9 people in here. Let's get it going, man. I'm gonna stay on for just a minute, and I don't know if you guys are quiet and our bellies are full for the day, I'll hop off. But if you want to take a look at something, let me know. I see how many people are in here right now? 7, is that right? 7 people, 3 likes. Come on, man. Let's go. Let's get it going. I'm going to be right back. I'm going to grab some coffee. I do need to put on some music or else it's going to sound really dead in here. So let me do that. Let me put out I'm going to put some chill beats on. Let's see. I played the intro. I played the hit, the chart life hit before we started. You know, I did that for you. I did it. I also have another one. You know what? I'll just play this song right now because I'll be fast. Okay, I'm gonna play this one. If you haven't heard it, it's another. This is a great song. This is a great song. Okay, hold on. I got so many here. This is a hit right here. This is a hit. All right, I'll be right back.
Trading screens light up like stars, dreams of yachts and fancy cars, chasing profits near and far. Next move could raise the bar. From the cubicle to the top, flicked the mouse and made it pop. Now my wealth, it never stops, living life in flip-flops. Rock firms gave me wings to soar, money flows from every door. American dreams, what I adore, living big, I want some more. Calculated risks we take, morning coffees at daybreak. Every trade a tidal wave, in this game you feel so brave. Got no boss to clock me in, just my strategies to win. Freedom's now beneath my skin, prop firm hustle, here we spin. Prop firms gave me wings to soar, money flows from every door. American dreams, what I adore, living big, I want some more.
It's a hit. That's a hit record. That is a hit record. I just want to be clear. That's a hit record, man. Like, I gotta sell that to one of these prop firms. If you're watching, hit me up. Fix my camera. Hit me up, man. Oh, thank you. You're not on camera, don't worry. You can get dressed now, sweetheart. She's like, what? Wifey gave me my phony that I left downstairs. All right. Okay, what was I saying? Oh, a hit record. That's a hit record, man. It is. It's a hit record. I don't care what anybody says. I don't care what anybody says, bro. Because here's the thing, y'all. Price is going to go up and hit that liquidity level, isn't it? And we're going to be rocking and rolling once again. Did you guys hear this record that I released? You may not have heard this record that I released. It's called Prop Firm Dreams. Anyone got Prop Firm Dreams in here? Let me know. If you have Prop Firm Dreams, let me know in chat right now. Let me know. Smash the like button if you got Prop Firm Dreams. If your dream is to make money from prop firms, smash the like. I know it's quiet. Hold on. I'm trying to navigate and my computer's slow. I gotta figure it out. There we go. Yeah. All right. If this is your first, if this is your first time, never mind. I don't know what I'm saying. Hold on. Anyways, all right, we're good to go. All right. You guys don't know what you're in for, man. You don't know what you're in for. I just call it like I see it. Call it like I want it. Call it like I see it. I call it like I see it, man. That's it. Okay, what am I doing right now? Oh, I was trying to get some music going. That's the first thing. Y'all are being really, really just great. Just great. Everyone's being great. Just keep doing you. Okay, I'm going to keep doing me. All right. Yeah, let's get the energy going. Yeah. What? Yeah. Let's go. All right, here we go. Let's get some music. What do you want to listen to? Some trance, dance, some romance? What you want? Trance music. Let's try that. 2024 trance. Let's do that, man. Let's do that. Prop firms gave me wings to soar. I want more. Oh, sorry, my bad. Let's see, is this good? All right, there we go. Yeah. That's it. Go on up there and hit that liquidity level. What'd I tell y'all? Anyone get a win? Tell me you're a degenerate and you just went long because I said we're going to go hit that. Did anyone just join and we're like, okay, Mike said we're hitting that level. I'm going long. I don't care. No stop loss. Somebody did it. Don't lie. I know you're in here. All right, real talk. Here's real talk for you. Real talk. Real talk. Hold on. Let me turn this down. Real talk, right? So I'm working with these guys, and they build like marketing funnels. You know what I'm saying? Like marketing funnels. Like they build out funnels and stuff, so that way people, you know, when you put your stuff out, it's like a funnel, right, to sell somebody. Okay, if you're into marketing, you kind of know what I'm talking about. So I'm like, yeah, I do music, yeah, and everything like that. And they're like, oh, cool. I say, yeah, I'm like writing a song. I need to go write a song right now. I'm just feeling like this was yesterday. I think this was yesterday. Anyways, he's like, oh, I'm like, yeah, I need an idea. He's like, yeah, write a song about building funnels. Shout out to Theo. Building funnels. Troy knows what I'm talking about. But he's like, yeah, write a song about building funnels. So I wrote a song about building funnels. It turned into something kind of cool. I'm going to play it, okay? Here we go. Hold on. For some reason, I can't hear it. Let's see. Okay, here we go. Let's try that. I'm not going to be able to hear it. That's weird. OBS is messed up, man. It's messed up. It won't let me listen to it at the same time. Okay. That's all right. I'll play it anyways. Check it out. Hopefully that's right.
Stacking bricks, building high, laid the blueprint, now we fly. Started small, now watch it grow. Turn my vision into gold. Wake up easy, sun hits right. No more rushing, taking flights. Calls on mute, stress on low. Living life the way I chose. Funnel of fortune, watch it spin. Set it up now, watch me win. Funnel of fortune, let it flow. Step right in, let the money grow. The cash rolls in, never stops. Alright, cash rolls in, hit the top. The cash rolls in, build it up. Funnel of fortune, never enough. Morning waves, coffee strong. Passport ready, I'm here then gone. Living life, no 9 to 5. Freedom hits different when you design. Wake up easy, sun hits right. No more rushing, taking flights. Calls on mute, stress on low. Living life the way I chose. Funnel of fortune, watch it spin. Set it up now, watch me win. Funnel of fortune, let it flow. Step right in, let the money grow. The cash rolls in, never stops. Alright, cash rolls in, hit the top. The cash rolls in, build it up. Funnel of fortune.
Y'all feeling this? You do like this? It turned it into something kind of cool, like funnel of fortune. You know, he's sitting there building sales funnels. He's like, yeah, write a song about building funnels. I'm like, funnels. I'm not gonna lie, I went straight to Chat GPT. I was like, you gotta help me with this one. But it turned out kind of cool, right? I'll finish it.
Enough. No boss, no stress, just a plan. Turn the click in to 100 grand. Let it work while I take my time. Money moves, but the piece is mine. Funnel of
This
fortune,
uptrend is crazy.
Watch it spin, set it up now, watch me win. Funnel of fortune, let it flow. Step right in, let the money grow. The cash rolls in, never stops. The cash rolls in, hit the top. The cash rolls in, build it up. Funnel of fortune, never enough. Funnel of fortune, never enough. Funnel of fortune, never enough. Never enough. Never enough. never enough.
Funnel of fortune, you know. All right. We're making hit songs and hit trades, y'all. Hit songs and hit trades, man. I don't know. What more can we ask for in life, you know? This is what we do. Hey, for real though, like if you missed this morning with me, then you know, you're probably wondering what I'm doing here. But that was this morning, so just I'm good. Like my belly is full. I do wish I held a little bit more, but it was still a good trade, good decision to get out in my opinion. We broke the shelf. So that's the deal. Like, look, it's either gonna go or it's not, right? What do y'all want to see? Anything? Y'all are really quiet, so I think we're just chilling. Is that right? What's going on? Do y'all want to see me I don't know, like break something down for you? Have any questions? What do y'all want? Like just I'm here for y'all, you know? So kind of already got the trade in for the crew this morning, so I don't know. Like, do y'all want me to break down a chart somewhere, or you know, you just want to chill, just play some hit records and chill? In that case, I'll go get something out of the safe, if you know what I'm saying, and you can relax up in here. You know what I mean? What am I talking about? Nothing. Just life. What do you mean? Just life. Get life out of the safe. Maybe I'm not seeing chat in real time because I see nothing. Are y'all that quiet? I know there's only 11 people, but let me see. How can I do this? Let's see. Docs. Don't I have chat? Do I have chat up in here? Chat. Where's chat? Chat right there. Does this thing work? Oh, it does work. Sweet. Now I don't have to get up. Oh man, that's so much easier. I didn't know. I mean, I knew it. I forgot OBS. You could just click a button and then now I can see chat. Cool. Tell us where to get the TMT merch. You're rocking. Hey, bro, we're gonna get it going. I know I keep saying that. That is something I gotta tell Troy, man. Like that is something that he's so good at designing stuff too. Like it'll be bananas. This is something. So when we first started the Midas Touch, literally like less than a week old, a chick, she'll kill me if she heard that. A one of my, like, she's like a sister to me. Okay, this I said girl. She's a girl. I mean, she is a girl. This amazing person that I've worked with for a long time. She just like came in. She started trading with us. Her and her husband, Kyle. Shout out to Tamara. And she was like, yeah, you need some fly merch, you know? So she just went and made it. And I was like, oh, that's so dope. And it arrived in the mail to me, you know? I just thought it was dope. But I didn't really like go out of my way to make any other, you know, merch or whatever. So we got to do that. Yeah, I got to do that, man. That's something we need. We need some cool merch. I'm chill right now. I'm very chill right now. I just had some faux soup. It's cold outside. I just had some faux soup. I got, you know, I got no wants right now whatsoever. So yeah, man. That's pretty much it. Let's see. Okay, so where are we at? So this doesn't show anything but chat. Okay. Let me see something else. Stats. Oh no, I don't want to see stats. Oh man, it did get a little quiet, didn't it? I forgot. Let's see. What else? How about another song? How about that? I'll play it. I'll play Blow Some Money. It's a newer one.
Money in my pocket feels so bright. Gonna shine it all like neon lights. Stacks of bills, let's watch them fly. Living life, just you and I. Lose ourselves in the flashing lights. Every second's pure delight. No regrets for this wild night. Let's spend it all in the twilight. Let's get some cash and blow it. Every penny you watch us throw it. Life's too short, let's just enjoy it. Reach for a day, let's deploy it. Golden dreams and silver nights. Blowing money feels
Yeah, you
so
see
right.
volatility index spiked all the way down at the bottom right now. It just looks like, it looks like she's working in little waves here, you know. Didn't quite make it all the way down to yesterday's low, but backed off. It just looks like chop, you know. It looks like range, nasty chop, range, just weird. Alphabet, Google, whatever they're called, going down here to the shelf, tapping. Finally tapped the shelf. She finally did it. I bet Tesla recovers from here. I bet we just turn up, man. I think price is just going to turn up. And look, for judging from these three, I know you can't see the one on the left. Let's just look at these two. It looks like the Nasdaq is a little stronger than the ES right now. We do have some bearish SMT going. Did y'all see that? You see that, right? Did anyone else see the bearish SMT? Y'all vibing out? Let's get some cash and blow it. Let's go. Yeah, there's a little bit of SMT going on. You see that? Can anyone point it out? Anyone know where it's at? I'm going to show you the Nasdaq. Yes. If you see the SMT right now, say yes. If you don't see it, say no. Oh, Frank. Frank the Tank. Frank wants more training on SMT. I'll get in trouble if I train too much on it because A, I don't know it like Troy. Right? And B, I mean, he's going to be teaching more, but there is SMT, bearish SMT right now. This is one of the coldest intros that I've done in a while. This right here is one of the coldest intros to any song I've done. Listen to this. It's a beautiful run. I love this. Anyways, all right. I think I'm just going to play some beats and then just keep moving. Keep moving here, dog. Where is it? Okay. I'll get in trouble. Yeah. Yeah, just because we have some bearish SMT going on right now, so nobody sees it. Nobody else sees it. Y'all are quiet, man. Y'all are full. That's what happened. That's what happened. See what happens when we get too many wins in a row? You become content. You become content, and then you start hating on the person who's rocking with you the most. Don't hate on me, man. Don't be hating, okay? I don't know what I'm talking about, y'all. Ignore me, dude. No idea what I'm talking about right now. All I know is that we've been killing it, and it's been a lot of fun. Let's see, M and Q. Why is this not the same chart? There we go. Because I have the micro and I have the mini. Look at this SMT. Can y'all see it? Between the NAS and the ES. Nobody's answered me, but I've asked like 8 times. I'm going to ask you again. Does anybody see the SMT on the charts between the S&P and the Nasdaq? It's bearish SMT. Does anyone see it? Put no if you don't see it. Put yes if you do. There's no right or wrong answer, but I'm just curious. I'm trying to get a feel for the room if y'all are noticing it. Okay, Chris, all good. So we got Frank says he sees it. Lewis says yes. I'm going with divergence between NQ and ES. Yeah, divergence is SMT. That's what it is. It's a divergence. So you see it, right? But yeah, so really the main difference between normal SMT and the SMT that Troy did a lesson on in the group recently is whether or not the SMT is sequential, which sounds really complicated, but it's not, especially when you use this indicator, because it breaks everything down into time, everything into blocks of time, you know? So even inside of this blue box here, you could probably see it's like the behind is green, this box, and then red over here, right? And that's just time. So within this blue box, sequential is one after another. That's all it means. So anyways, a little bit of bearish SMT on a low time frame. And the ES looks weaker than the Nasdaq. So if we see, think of it like this, if you see bearish SMT, why would this be bearish, first of all? Does anybody, well, it's kind of a longer answer, but do you want me to tell you why this is bearish, or does everyone got it? Everyone got it, probably. I don't know. YouTube is so weird. I wish y'all could just come off of mute, you know? They should make that a feature. That'd be dope. That'd be super cool. But anyways, do you know why this is? So first of all, let me just point out the SMT. So NASDAQ going up, right? Swing point confirmed, swing point confirmed. So you see the one's going down, one's making a higher high, one's making basically failing, okay? Not taking the high. So that's bearish SMT. Why is it bearish? Well, when one grabs the high and the other one fails to grab the high, that's bearish. When one grabs the low and the other fails to grab the low, that's bullish. And if we like back up the chart here, let's go ahead and just rewind the tail of the tape. And you can see that we have bullish SMT. See that? So when you have bullish SMT, which one looks stronger? If there's bullish SMT, which is SMT at the bottom, bearish is SMT at the top. It's that simple. you ask yourself which one looks stronger. Well, probably the one that didn't grab the low. Yeah, because it failed. It's looking stronger. It doesn't want to go down. So which one would you want to trade? Which one is more destined to most likely have a bigger push, right? So that's how that works. Does this make sense? Type yes in chat if this makes sense. You want me to go deeper? I can go deeper. I can go a little bit deeper. So at the top, cool. At the top, you have bearish SMT because one took the high and the other one didn't. So which one looks more bearish? Well, you would just do the opposite, right? The ES looks weaker. Which one looks weaker? The ES. Because why? Because it didn't even have the strength to go up and grab the high. And if you rewind the tail of the tape, it already made a lower low. See that? It's already went lower. So not only did it make a lower low, but it failed to grab the high, right? So what is this telling us? That most likely price action is going to drop as it is right now. And most likely power hour might even be, we might even see price come down here. Maybe even a lower low. So why, or I guess the next question is this. Just because you see this on a low time frame, right? This is a low time, it's a 5-minute chart. I forgot. Hold on. Put that watermark in there for you guys because I totally forgot to do that. Let's see. Let's see what's going on. Okay, put the watermark in. Yeah, so now you can see the time frame I'm on. Sorry about that. Yeah, but basically, you know, now the question is, okay, let's go to higher time frame and we'll go to the Nasdaq. We'll go to 15-minute, like I'm on right here. What is the overall direction today? Was up. We got that right. Okay, got our little trades on earlier this morning. So now we're above VWAP, right? We have an uptrend. So the question is, should we really be looking for shorts? Well, it depends. You're in, you know, where is True Day Open real quick? Hold on. Basically, I guess I don't have that over here. What the hell? Come on, Mike. Where's True Day Open? Are we above it? Yeah, we're above True Day Open. So technically, we're in a premium on the day, right? So if you're trying to get a swing trade, this is a good area, a decent area to potentially look for a swing, right? If you're a trend trader, then you're not really looking to, you know, reverse from here because the trend is up. Okay, so how do you know which one to pull? Yeah, this is like kind of a junky area to trade because of this 1-minute candles. This 1-minute candle really threw off price action today quite a bit. We still got it right. Everything recovered. Okay, we're good there. But how do you get a trade and what direction do you want it? Well, you need some type of, you know, entry model, you know? So that's where the one strat for life comes into play. I've been rocking the one strat for life for like a while now, like since, I don't know, middle of last year. Like we did our training on it middle of last year, you know what I mean? So like we've been rocking with it for a while. And in this scenario, it definitely works. But you just have to be patient and wait for that setup, you know? So if I'm looking for a swing trade up here, unfortunately, I can't really get behind anything right here because it's just, that's why I said, look at this little trend up. It's kind of crazy. because price needs to show me she wants to reverse. Now, even if I'm trading IFVGs or something like that, I mean, first of all, this didn't grab the data wick high, so I mean, I don't think that counts as a liquidity grab, because it just didn't grab it. I mean, I can see it in Bookmap still. It's still up there. You know, this is why Bookmap helps quite a bit. If you don't know about Bookmap, you know, it just kind of helps. So we can see it up there. So once price, you know, if price were to tap that, then I could, maybe this is a swing point that she's putting in right now. Who knows? We do have that bearish SMT, so that could play out. But remember, the trend is up. So do I really want to look for shorts? Well, only if, you know, what would be really dope, like check this move out. Ready? If price on the Nasdaq were to come up, bam, take that high out. That's the data wick, right? That 850 level, that's that data wick. Boom, take it out. Then this is a swing point. So price comes down here to this swing point that it's creating right now, right? Does it, you know, does its thing, whatever, breaks the swing point, creates a fair value gap right up there. This would be like a breaker. Bam, short right there. That's where I would be looking to go short right there. See that? That is a different scenario, because now price not only gave me the liquidity grab that I was looking for, but I'm seeing price action break structure. And all the while, what needs to happen is what? The ES over here remain down, like, don't go grab the high. Okay. So if the ES does something like this, even like this idea is not as strong. But if the ES can stay down here or in this range, just down, then that's the kind of SMT backed up by an entry model that can really, really, you know, you can profit big time from that move alone. And it happens all the time, but you just have to be aware of it. You know what I mean? Yes? Cool. Good stuff. You're welcome, Lewis.
Traders, you will not.
This is where patience pays and greed punishes. That I can promise you. Nah, man, Stuart. This morning, smart money left clues. We followed the trail. We took multiple wins. But right, the sniper does not shoot every shot, man. Only the perfect ones. Come on, you know how it goes. Can't take every shot you see. Come on. Retail chases, Stuart. I wait, I strike, and I collect. Period. It's a business, not a casino, bro. And the house doesn't win on this channel. We do. You like that? The house doesn't win on this channel. We do. Damn, I gotta make a track on. I gotta make a song about that. House doesn't win on this channel. We do. You won't see anybody frowning on a sea-doo. Oh. If you actually have an edge and you trust your edge, then you understand. This is all for birds right here. This is nothing. We don't trade this, man. We don't trade this. All I see is that bearish SMT, so if anything, we're gonna go down. So it's like this. We got a liquidity level above us. But look, the Dow looks really weak. The Dow's already at our previous lows. You see this? Check this out. Don't be afraid to trade the Dow. The Dow will treat you right if you treat her right. So we have bearish SMT, and the Dow is the weakest of the three. Ooh, there you go. A little rhyme for you. So bearish SMT, the Dow is the weakest of the three, about to break the lows. And the one strat for life model might show itself down here. She might present herself like on a low time frame here. So on the Dow, has anyone traded the Dow before? Don't be afraid to trade the Dow. The Dow's good people. The Dow's good people. Yeah, so let's see if this breaks. This might break right here, right? We'll be observers. That's fine. You can be an observer. But look, the S&P is not at the low, right? Neither is an NQ. NQ's going up, just like I said, right? So let's see. Like now you have the Dow could go and grab the low, and then the ES and the NAS not grab the low, and now you have bullish SMT. So you see how it's kind of how far. It's like any divergence. You don't know how far price is going to go, but usually the divergence does play out. Does that make sense? So in this case, you know, if the Dow breaks right here, it could be a cheap trade idea in that sense, because, you know, worst case scenario, she doesn't respect the breaker and then comes right back up, and, you know, you take a small loss. But it's not that big of a move. It's very, very tiny. That move is very tiny. Anyways, so right now, just I already know. Big money already made their move today. That's what happened. Big money made their move. You know, I don't even know if that news update, and it's not like we didn't move. We went 300 and something points and then recovered, you know, so pretty nice recovery. Bitcoin breaking highs. Bitcoin breaking highs. So yeah, I mean, what does that mean? Keep your eye on this. Keep your eye on these three pairs. If you're not watching these, you do not know what's up. That's all there is to it. You don't know what's up. You got to watch these, man. This will give you an edge. I'm really interested in the Dow right now, breaking this low. There she goes. Breaking the low. Bearish SMT playing out. Look at this. Right? Now look. Everyone's looking for longs up to that liquidity level, aren't they? What are you in here doing? You're looking for what? You're looking for the moves like Jagger. That's what you're looking for. You're looking for the moves like Jagger, baby. Look at this bearish SMT playing out, right? So what are we looking for? Looking for a shorty. Now, where could we go here? Down. Don't worry about that. Just focus on the entry. Focus on getting the move right. That's it, right? What does this become? A breaker. What did price do? RTY is even more bearish. Okay, that's what's up. Okay, look, nice. We got a little fair value gap right here. It says nice. If she opens high, what can we do? We can set this up. Oh, I already had it set up. What are you doing, Mike? I already had this set up. So if she opens high, the Dow right here. Yeah, something like that, man. This is looking nice. A trade right at the breaker right here. If you know your edge, you're not scared of red candles. You're not scared of green candles when you're in shorts, if you know your edge. And this is a tiny scalp against the trends, a fade back for the day. So you got to play it safe. That's it. See if it works, because this is showing bearish SMT on the chart. Doesn't mean it's going to work just because it shows it, but it's pretty good. It's not bad. I like it. But now what do we got? We got the Nasdaq and the ES did not take the lows, correct? And the Dow did. So what does that give you? If the Nas and the ES don't line up and drop and follow the Dow, right? Maybe they're late to get to the lows right here in this little section. What does that tell you? Shoop, flip, right? It shows a flip. That's what that shows. Yo, smash the like button right now. Let's get it going. Come on. I got in here, not even looking for a trade. My belly was full. I didn't have to do anything. Look, that's my trades for the day. Where are you at? It's daily, man. We do this daily. But I got in here for you guys, just rocking it out. Let's go, man. If you know, then you know. If you don't, then go. It's that simple. It's that simple, man. So we got, in this little area, you got to be real safe. You got to be tight. You got to play it smart. If you're playing like, you know, your prop account, something like this. If I were trading a prop, I would definitely be trading this really tight. As soon as I get up about 6-7 points, I'm going to stop loss at break even. This is 10 points right here. I'm just going to mark where 10 points is at. Not that I'd be out, but I just want to see it on the chart. In fact, I'm not going to do that because then people will say, oh, you had your stop loss there. I just want to make sure I'm seeing where 10 points is at. Where's 10 points? Damn. Come on now. Bro, what is going on? There's 7. That's 8. Break even, stop, risk-free trade. Boom. Call it a day. Let's go. Turn up. Turn up. Next. Next. She either runs, you close it out there, or she runs. Either way, you win. Winner. Another winner. She goes up, she hits a break even stop. Cool. You didn't lose anything. No harm, no foul, no extra risk for the day. All good. Because this could be bullish SMT, so you don't want to give her that chance. But 10 points is 10 points. Right? So coming down here, that's actually 15 points. Y'all, that was 15 points. So look, micro scalping, 10 points, 9 points, 8 points, whatever. Cool. Take some off the table, man. But that went 16 points before coming back. And watch getting some of these. Watch them just whoop and drop and run. And you're going to be like, oh, shnikes. That's why SMT can be powerful too. Because it showed us what to look for. This could still pan out. Make no doubt. I mean, let me go down to 1 minute. I turn the cycles off. Like, that is still a friggin' valid trade. I'm just saying play it safe. But that's still a valid trade, man. There's nothing wrong with that trade to go down. Nothing wrong with that at all. Everything looks pretty sweet, actually. I'm just not trading it. I just got the idea up here, but y'all already know. So if in this case, because we have bullish on the day, we're bullish, then yeah, you don't hold, look, that's, and you know, I say play it safe. It's funny because you'll always remember the times when you played it safe, but it kept going. Am I right? You always remember those times. I played it safe, but then it came back and it grabbed my stop and then it kept going for the day. How many times have you said that, right? But don't forget these times where you played it safe, you did it right, and that was the right move. Because we're in a bullish, because you said, oh, we're in a bullish uptrend, I probably shouldn't look for fades right now, right? Don't try to catch a fade, homie. You know, top-notch idiots. That's the greatest YouTube channel of all time. Yeah, so you read the room. The room is that we're in an uptrend, right? So be careful on the fades. Don't try to catch a fade. But 16 points, I'll take it. I would have taken 16 points gladly. I don't have the Dow up to trade, to be honest, right now. So Thursday FX options expire, so be careful. Thursday FX options expire. Something to note. I don't know if anyone here is trading FX. I trade FX all the time, so you know. Anyone trading Forex? Let me know what you're trading. If you're trading some Forex, let me know. Price action is pretty freaking boring right now, though. I had a feeling we would just be chilling, but this is like just boring. Still think that bearish SMT is playing out, man. We already, like, the Dow broke structure right there, so I bet she falls more. You can see the ES dropping a little bit more, you know, wanting to maybe go meet those lows. The Nasdaq is furthest away, looking like the strongest of the three. Could be a bull flag too right here. I'm gonna mark this out. Right, could be a bull flag on the 1 minute time frame. And we have divergence here with the VFI, so nice divergence here, bullish divergence, something to keep an eye on. Yeah, this line right here, data high, is the wick from this morning's news over here to the left. So this was a 1 minute candle, and it had spiked up first. So it took out the, liquidity over here above this high. Whatever was resting up here, it grabbed and then pulled so hard. It was like 100 or two. It's like crazy 1 minute candle, crazy. So yeah, I mean, all of the longs up here had been trapped. Now they're not so trapped, and you have a lot of people up here. It makes sense that we go down right here, guys, because once price goes back up to give relief to the longs that were trapped for the day, a lot of them will get out of their trade and reposition, especially towards the end of the day. So I would not be surprised if we drop like we're doing right now. So I would not be surprised. Plus, you see that bearish SMT playing out. Here comes the Dow back down. I mean, like I said, you're always going to remember the ones that keep going, but it's still a good idea to play it safe. It's just, man, look at the ES now. Look at the nasty choosing to come down, So very interesting, right? Very interesting. Breaking the bottom of that possibly a little bull flag, but now not so much. But yeah, just it's in my opinion interesting to watch this play out like this. Let's see the 15-minute real quick. Yeah, so once again, that bearish SMT playing out just a little bit more sort of as expected there. Yeah, definitely as expected, because the Dow already broke the low. She could keep going. Yeah, good stuff. Bitcoin fading back now. Bitcoin looking pretty strong though. Let's see what gold is doing here. Gold looks pretty nice for a buy. If you know about shelves, what does she do right here? Can you see it? Can anyone see it? Make sure it's really clean for you guys. Can you see that right here? Right, so she's got that glow, baby. I'm a little hot. Nasdaq still falling? Yeah. Still a bullish VFI though. So she could be playing out that bearish SMT is definitely playing out. Look at the Dow. Again, just observing here, yeah? Observing. If your stop loss was above the swing level, you're still good. Like, that's where the stop loss was. I just went break even just because, protecting, like I said. But, I mean, still the idea is looking strong. Look at what the ES is doing. That's crazy, right? Yeah, it's pretty crazy. And we should see a drop in the Dow more than we see in the Nasdaq and the ES. So I would not be surprised if this just flies. So keep checking it out. Keep being observing with me. Be an observer. Be a student. I'm a student every day on the charts, man. Every single day. You know, it's just weird. Like, it's weird that price does these things, yeah. Shredded. Let's see. All right, so that's a huge red candle. It was opening candle that dropped crazy because of some news. Yes, bro. Yeah, shredded. That was CPI news, basically to tell us whether or not inflation is coming down or going up. Were you in this morning's stream, or maybe you joined? I think you joined after the stream, but this morning's stream was fire. I had a lot more energy. I'm a little docile this afternoon. I'm a little out of it, I guess. I don't know. I need to maybe take a break from the charts, y'all. It's hard. It's hard to take a break from the charts when, you know, when you're just locked in, you know. Look at that play. Look at that playing out, man. See that Dow short. Hell yeah, you are, Stuart. Let's go, baby. Yeah, if you can join early tomorrow, that's where it's at. The morning is where it's at, you know. It's tough, but yeah, we're trading Monday through Friday in there. This morning I was public on YouTube. So that was fun, you know, every now and then, just kind of surprising, but it was Big Bag Wednesday. Big Bag Wednesday, baby. So I'm going, you know, tomorrow we'll be locked and loaded with the crew in the live room, get our win on, and then if we have the energy, we'll switch it over to a public thing. But look at the little shelf now. See this Dow? See the Dow? Now she's got a shelf. So you're just following. That's it. So now it's like yes, this is like technically, from a technical perspective, if you had your stop here and you have a leg down, you definitely go like stop at break even right there for sure. And then, you know, you push your stop just a little bit. Here's a shelf. So, you know, price should just respect that shelf right there and turn down and keep going. And you know that if she doesn't, the smart move there would just be to get out of the trade early. You know, your stop just a little bit in profit, you know, something like that. That looks like a nice little retest of this area inbound. But you're not scared of that retest because you know your edge. And when you're trading shelves and you're using this method, you already know you have the edge on your side. Got the edge finder right here. The edge finder, baby. And now look at this SMT that played out. This is why that training that Troy taught in the group is so funny, because, you know, I see people coming and going in here, but it's like this is where it's at, bro. This is the most fire education y'all are ever going to get, period. Like, there is, I promise you, nobody's doing it like us. Look at that. Look at the SMT just playing out like perfectly. It's fun to watch. I'm just stoked, man. I'm excited for what Troy and I have up our sleeves coming here in the next couple of weeks, man. It's gonna be so good. I can't wait to put together these backtesting videos for y'all too. We're rolling out like just hours of content if you want. You know, I'm not even saying that's gonna make you better, but it'll be there. It's coming. It'll be in the school group, and man, it's good because you need to see the setups. I was telling Troy, and he agrees. He's like, yeah, man, just come out with the most fire backtesting videos. Just, that's what I've been up to. So I'm like recording here, then I'm going and making content, and I'm recording backtesting videos. And you know, all that, like, I don't win every single it's been a minute since I've lost a backtesting video, but I have lost, you know, some, and it's usually when I'm off. Like, you gotta be sharp. You gotta be sharp. See see here. You got to be sharp. You got to treat your body sharp. You know, you got to treat your mind sharp. Okay. By the way, if you're in the challenge, if you took the challenge, we got Q&A coming up. Join the call, learn more about trading and just how we can help you, etc. Troy's putting it up right now in the calendar, so for tomorrow. So it's gonna be good. But look at this play out. It's beautiful, isn't it? Price is just kind of doing so you can just be relaxed. You know what I mean? Chill. You got the break even stop, set a timer for a few minutes, you know, let some time go by. If you're scalping, just chill. Remain composed. That's the key, man. I asked a question this morning and I said, do you think it's easier to become profitable on a demo account or a live account? And the overwhelming response was it's easier to become profitable on a demo account, right? And so if that's the case, you've got to treat your live account like a demo account. I don't know what to tell you. And, you know, there was a guy on the internet and he claimed that he made like 300 grand and that it was real money. And, you know, he got called out. I mean, he lied, you know, and it wasn't real money. But did he make 300 grand in the demo account trading live? Yes, he did. And all his followers made a shitload of money. And so I just posed the question, wouldn't you want to follow that guy? Like the guy, if you think, honestly, if the answer is that it's easier to make money in a demo account than it is a live account, why are you following anybody that's trading a live account? Think about it. It makes your head kind of explode, eh? I mean, I don't know. It's out DJ Micro W. All good. Cool. But you know what, man? That was a good trade, and you just were in a bullish uptrend, you know? So that's why it's like, just protect your downside. And even if she turns around, bro, you know what that is right there, right? Right there, you're going to be pissed because that right there, we'll look back, we'll see, right? But that right there looks like a liquidity wick. Like, it's, fuck, she's so smart, dude. It's like the algorithm knew that everybody sees the SMT. We got a lot of people going in short right now. Let's just pop up real quick, you know, grab that liquidity, you know, and then just sink them. You know, you're gonna be looking back, but you can't trade like that. You can't let those emotions, those thoughts get inside your head, because that's when you'll start holding trades until you blow your account. You know, it's just not worth it, man. It's not worth it. I appreciate the likes, guys. Appreciate it. Okay, Lewis got a W too. Nice. Did anyone else get a W on that little micro trade with the Dow here? This little trade with the Dow. Yo, man, hey, I'm like a proud father right now. This is dope. You guys took action. That's what's up. Now, is it wrong? Like, not wrong. What am I trying? You see the comparison that I made earlier about, you know, somebody trading a demo account. I bet they're clearer headed. I mean, you know, for me, I just act like every trade's a demo account. You know, when I go to the casino, it's like the chips just become fun money, you know? I try to pretend, but this is demo. I didn't trade that. Like, I put that up there. I didn't trade that. I put ideas up all the time that I don't trade, but you guys win, and that's what's up, you know? And it's like, I have no pressure, zero, because I'm not even in the trade to begin with. So I have zero pressure. That's what you want. That's what you want. You know what I mean? That's what you want in your trading. Guys, I remember trading with a very large sum of money. And as soon as I get into a trade, I went and visited Troy in Oklahoma. And, you know, even he saw, like, as soon as I enter a trade, you know, I'm down $400 or $500 right away. Like, just off of spreads and commissions, man. It's crazy. But you know, that kind of stress, getting over that, it was like, okay, everything's house money. So screw it. I don't know. It just became like, last month I made 20 grand. The month before that I made 40 grand. The month before that I made 30 grand. The month before that I made 20 grand, 30 grand, 50 grand, 120 grand. This is like, just, I'm thinking of like months in a row. Like, I had a 7-month run taking that 98K to 250 with you guys last year. And I remember thinking, screw it, you know, like, this got a little loud. Like, you know, just, it's fun money. It's like house money. So I would risk a little bit more. And then I remember that one morning, Stuart, you may remember this, but I was like, damn, I took a trade and I was down 8 grand. And I was like, why did I allow myself to get down 8 grand? That was dumb. And I became nervous because once you get used to it, you start, you know, pushing the limits, and then you get overly confident. You know what I mean? And then it's like, shit, I was down 8 grand in that one trade. And it just becomes, yeah. Time to bounce. Yeah, time to bounce. Price is bouncing. That's right. Price is bouncing. Yeah, guys, we got 5 minutes to the close. It's power hour is this is boring. This has been really boring. That's really all I had on the Dow there. I don't have any other plays for you guys. I hope that you had a good trading day. Tomorrow morning, I'll be live with the crew. If you want to check it out, join the challenge. Stuart, if you have that link, man, drop that link. If you haven't joined the challenge, come join it. It's a free school group. You can come and take the challenge and learn what we're doing. And I'm literally showing you back testing using the strategies. First of all, you're going to find out who you are as a trader. Are you a scalper? Are you a day trader? Do you even know? Do you even know the difference? Take it. It's a couple hours long. You know, it's not going to be something that is, you know, too time consuming, but you're also going to get more value than you get from any of these courses. Well, I don't say any, but I'm very confident you will get a shitload of value. So go and take the challenge, have fun. And yeah, guys, I'll see you tomorrow morning, man. With that, on that note, I am out. Peace. Later. Ciao.